So I built this truck and spent about 2 years driving from Oregon all the way to Argentina. So through Mexico, all of Central America, shipped into Colombia from Panama in a container, and then the rest of the way down. So it was pretty epic. Yeah, it was everything that you see and more on the Instagram. And I mean, it's just, please go travel. If you can't go all the way south, just go to Mexico because it's amazing. So I've been to almost 30 countries now, and Mexico still stands out as the tip top. And it's right here. It's so close. Just go to Mexico. That's my one biggest piece of advice. So some of my favorite places, obviously Mexico. Spent almost 2 months in Baja. One of my most interesting camps was in Baja. We took the ferry across from the peninsula to mainland, and it was the trucker ferry, so they let you sleep in your truck. And we woke up the next morning in the middle of the Sea of Cortez in our camper. It was really cool. I mean, you wake up and it's basically open ocean inside your camper. Just, you know, wow. You don't get campsites like that very often. So it was pretty cool. One other one, we camped right next to the Panama Canal, like literally next to the Panama Canal, and just, I couldn't sleep all night just watching like the ships go by. It was a really cool experience. So yeah, really enjoyed Mexico, especially Baja. There's just so much open space and beautiful, pristine beaches to camp on. You know, you can fish and dive and swim and all day long and drink cheap beer and eat cheap tacos. And it's really great, but it also has a really nice balance of off-roading. There's tons of dirt tracks to nowhere, and they all pay off with something epic. So that really kind of is why Baja stands out so much. I spent 3 weeks in one spot in Ecuador and just like literally never moved because it was so great. And then once you hit the mountains, once you hit the Andes, like Peru, Peru, Bolivia, and then into Argentina and Chile, you feel like you're driving in a movie set like every day. It's just outstanding. It will take your breath away every couple miles, and I almost can't even explain how awesome it is, but the mountains are really truly outstanding.